Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we will write the name of Messenger as you see and we click. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Then you can uninstall your app and you can